Nice Jeep fag.
Probably fucked your bitch.
Ooh.
Jesus. Okay. All right. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
If you guys want your dick sucked, make sure you call 1-800-KEV.
Hold on, let me put these balls in the back. 1-800-KEV, guys. You guys heard it here. Did I put deodorant on today? I don't know if I did. Oh shit. Alright, so I guess we're going to Canyon today to go wheeling or something. I don't know. I've never been wheeling, so this will be fun. Kev's taking his little mall crawler. It's kind of cute. And then Dave's taking his Jeep. That shit's fucking cool. I love the way his Jeep looks. Not that I don't love Kev's. Kev's is really fucking nice. But I like the whole, you know, I go climb over rocks type of look. But yeah, I guess we'll see how this goes. We're probably gonna try to roll Kev's Jeep. What's the plan? What's the plan? Alright, see you guys soon.
Hi, how are you?
Good. What brings you out to the park today?
Oh, we're just gonna go just check it out.
All right. Pull in this left lane for me, all right?
Yep.
Thank you. Hi, just here for the day.
Yep.
And how many 13 and older in your vehicle?
3.
It'll be $15, please.
Or how old are you? Drive all the way through it first? Yeah. Hey,
Hi,
Cuppy.
Nice Jeep, faggot.
Yeah, your shit makes mine look tiny.
This is so fucking nice. Oh, you can go down there.
No, this is just the beginning, but I figure we'll stop here and then go all the way through. This is the beginning, Dave. How big this place is. This is just the entrance.
Alright, so we're with Dave now.
Misa, this is Misa. Yeah, you're like a Jeep whore. You just jump from Jeep to Jeep.
That's what I do. In case you guys didn't know. Jeep whore. You guys have Jeeps? I will jump in all of them. And just cream in all of them too.
Wow, okay.
Anyways,
we're cutting that.
we're in the real rock crawler now.
It's stuck.
Not that one. Fucking faggot over there. I'm just kidding. We should have took the top off. That'd been cool.
Why you always want me to take my top off for you?
Because I like nips. No, I'm just kidding. It's probably gonna fucking start pouring down right now.
Let's go mudding. I like hunting, fishing, fucking mudding.
Yeah, this place is actually really impressive.
Oh, yeah.
Like how fucking big it is.
Yeah, I didn't think something like that could be in such a shitty place, but it is. So. Everyone's fucking vlogging.
Are you vlogging my vlog?
Trying to get that POV.
Oh, I love POV. But can I go play over there?
Finally, that little Jeep is getting some love. well deserved. I don't know. Back there was a good little spot. Get the fuck off me, bitch. All right.
Back here.
Did you say I want to go play in there?
I don't think you can go down there.
No, not in there, but over there, back over there.
What are you talking about? Who are you talking to? Oh shit, that was fucking deep. Kev and Dav. Oh, he has a traction control. Stupid. Pedestrian camping area.
About to smash into you.
This shit looks good when it's dirty, man.
Yeah, I know. Oh, damn. You almost fucking died right now. That guy's not excited about it. Fuck, I don't even know how I'm gonna open this fucking door again. That shit's filthy.
I hit that huge bubble.
Alright, so I guess we're gonna go through this.
Someone want to film for me?
I'm getting in the fucking car.
Are you?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Kevin!
Hey, this, see that?
No, I can't see it.
You're gonna hit it. Hole right here.
A what?
A pole. There's a pole.
There's a what?
There's a hole.
Hole right there.
Hey, Cuppy.
Steady hands.
Steady hand, steady hand.
Oh. Cupcake gets to the back.
Get in the back. Go, 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 go. This is fucking cool.
I fucking when I went to Arizona, I just felt like these back roads and went off. Damn. Great. Fuck, we're gonna go after that. How steep is it right there?
No fucking idea.
Oh, we're good, I think. Yeah, we're good. Cool, I'll take a picture up on top of this thing.
Mall rated. Not for off-road.
Not true.
It is slippery out here.
See, babe?
I got the whole freak out on camera.
Did you? I did too. Love you. L-U-V. Mark out my photo.
Oh shit.
We made it in the mall crawler.
Bitch, you dumb. This is cool out here though.
Hey, you guys like these type of videos, let me know. Who are you talking to?
David's fuzzy microphone.
We made it. Fucking god damn, those cars are fucking filthy. Oh shit.
Careful.
It is slippery out here.
Whoa. It is slippery.
Hi Rachel.
Oh, hi.
Alright, so wheeling was a lot of fun. It was my first time. Huh? Wheeling? Okay, it wasn't even really wheeling according to Dave, but whatever. It was my first time doing anything like that, so I thought it was pretty cool. The Jeeps got fucking dirty as hell. Where the hell is Kevin at? Anyways.
That'll be it for this one.
Nice Jeep bag.
It's an FJ, bro.
Anyways, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching again. I appreciate all the new followers. I'm up to 310 now, which is pretty cool. I'm excited about it. So yeah, thanks. See you guys on the next one.